To manage checkout setting in your website, click on Setting option. Now click on Checkout option. Here set up Who can check out, only members or guest and members both. Now set up Auto accept orders, prepaid or manually, and prepaid both orders. Now select Order Notification, where you will get orders notification on email or SMS and email both. Now set up Billing information. Set name columns, company or business name required or not. Landmark required or not. Tax or GST number are required or not. You can also enter order script for tracking. Now save the setting and preview it. Billing section and columns are updated.